What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fund your MEXC account via P2P trading. Most persons find this very difficult because first, MEXC has these lags most of the times and delays. So I'll show you how to clear that part. The first thing, you go out from your app, your MEXC app, and then you locate it here. You hold on to it till you see this info button here, you click on it. And then you clear the cakes. How do you do that? You click on storage and then you clear this cake. It makes it more faster, and then you make sure the app is updated as well. So after clearing it, you go back to the app. Now you click on deposits. So you click on P2P trading. It's similar to the Bybit video I did. So you click on P2P trading and then you let it load. I think the network is just playing here. Yeah, it's finally here. So you just let it load, be patient with it for a while, and then let it load. And then the first thing you want to do to save yourself time, you click on this amount here. If you want to fund it with over $1 million or over $1 million, you just put it here. Let me put in $1 million because I make use of Naira. So I click on confirm. So you also let it load. And now, as you can see, it's bringing up ads that has that limit, but I have up to $1 million worth of USDT. So you click on this last button here by the top side underneath your currency. If you're using dollars, you can just check it to US dollar here. If you're using Naira, you can also check it to Naira here. So the next thing you want to do is you click on this filter beneath the currency, you click it, and then you want to make sure that you check show available ads only. And then if you've traded on the app before, you click on advertisers you've traded with. It will make it much more easier and then much more safer for you. So since I'm making this for a newbie and people who've not traded yet, let's just click on confirm. Then you also let it load, you give it a little bit time. Then once it loads, you go ahead and click the first one. You also check the accuracy, the ratings here, 93.62. This guy is 100%, so I'll go ahead and click on the 100% because I love time to be saved. But another thing you need to check as well is the orders. As you can see here, this first ad has so many orders, so it's also a pass mark for me. So I'll go ahead and click the first one because the orders are over 1,000 and then the ratings are not below 50 or are not below 70. So I'll click on buy and then I'll put in the amount I want to purchase, and then this is it. So I'll go ahead and check this place and then I'll click on buy USDT. I'll click on buy. Once I click on buy USDT, I'll also let it load for a while because most times MEXC can be very busy and then you end up getting these lags and everything. So for this part, I'll click on the chart to see this person's rules and regulation. Click on chart to see what this person has in store. Then I wait. It's taking me to the dialog box. Okay, it's saying that okay, yeah, I'll be like okay, all that. You say thanks for placing an order, please text or call me if I'm delaying. As you can see, this person wants to deal sharp, so I will go ahead and cancel this. I'm so sorry for doing this. I'll click on cancel order. I don't want to trade. I'll click on submit. So I also let it load. So order has been cancelled. But if you want to proceed with it, you just go ahead and make your payment. I showed you guys that dialog box because she is showing you guys, okay, I'm online, whatever you want to do right now, I'm online, let's deal together. If I'm not online, you can call me. That's much more safer. And then to sell, I'll click on sell. I'll click on sell here and then I'll let it load. Yes, so I'll put in the amount I want to sell. I can also, let me reduce this to 15,000 naira because I want to sell. some USDT practically for you guys. So I will then select, this guy has the top orders, this guy beneath him, just that he sells low, so I can also decide to buy if I want to. So I'll click on the first guy, YBNL, and I'll click on transfer. If I have USDT, there are three places you can have USDT. You can have USDT on your futures, your fiat, and your spot. So if you have USDT in your spot, you need to transfer it to your fiat. Let me show you guys practically. So I'll click on transfer, and then as you can see, spot here, I have 10 USDT here. So I want to transfer it to fiat. I'll just go ahead and click on all, transfer, and then trade. I'll click on trade. So it would take me back to that place, to take me back, and then I think I'll have to start all over again. So the first thing you need to do, you need to transfer before you come to this interface, because otherwise you end up redoing this process again, and it becomes tiring and then stressful. So the network is kind of a little bit lagging, so endure with me please. So I will go back, and so this is how much the person would be paying me in naira. So I'll click on I have read and I'll agree to blah 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 and everything. So I'll just click on sell USDT. Just go ahead, click on sell USDT and then let it load. So I click on sell USDT to take me to it's taking me to this dialog box. So I just click on the chat again to see what this person has to say. It will tell me to drop my number, and then I will go ahead and do that. So let me just wait, and then let me click on this chat box here. So it's bringing up the whole transaction history and everything of this guy. If I've traded with him before, it will show me as well. So, and see, it's showing me both the review and everything. So I'll just have to wait for this guy to credit me, and then I would instantly release the tokens to him. You get? So see, kindly make payment and send proof of payment to this place. This is what it's in his chat box. But since I'm selling, he'll be the one to make payments to me because I'm selling to him. So let's go back, and then once he makes the payment and everything, I would go ahead and check the box and release my asset to him. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.